Hello everybody, it's me Sweater here today with another tank model kit review video. Today we're doing the leichtraktor by ICM, which is 1/35 scale. So leichtraktor was made by the company Rheinmetall, and yeah, stuff, finger pointing. So yeah, so the scale box is 14 plus, but you don't really have to necessarily follow that. So here's some camouflage schemes if you want to look at those, you can. So yeah, now let's open the box. So I don't know, can't speak for all ICM kits because this is really my only one that I've had, but thing comes off and then you can, oh that was always correct, and then you can open up it like this. It usually comes in a bag, which I already pre-removed just because I can. So let's just look at the trees. So first we have tree, it's kind of hard to tell. Okay, I guess it doesn't label them. It says 35330. It's just a little thing that it says. So on this tree we have the sides, upper hole, and exhaust, and all this stuff. Here we have our suspension, which is duplicated. So let me see if we can focus this on. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. I think it just says ICM. So yeah, our drive or either wheel, I can't really remember. Looks like that. I think they're really the same. So yeah, we have two of those. Actually, three of those. We have some vinyl tracks. I've heard from someone that their tracks might be too short, or maybe that might have just been something that happened with theirs where it was like mismolded, but yeah, tracks might be a bit too short. We have clear plastic parts. Still really hard to see. So yeah. And here we have the other side, the bottom. I think that's a turret ring right there. I like the turret thing. You have the turret side, two-part, glue them together. Just the top of the turret. Some front and back parts, and yes. So now let's open up the instructions. It's a dog saying that they replace any parts that you lose or get destroyed. So that is nice. So yes, take a look at the instructions. So here is the front. If you would like to read this, you can. Yeah, on my foot. Yes, comes with decals, just a simple cross along with a little piece of like coffee filter paper. I don't know what's it for. So here you have some pictures of your trees and stuff. So this is what it's called. So that's A, B, C, and D. I mean E. So yeah, D is the tracks, E is that. So here is step 1, which is just that light fixture. Step 2, which is the exhaust filter grate thing. Step 3 is just adding them on. 4 is the hatches. 5 is another thing. Then 6 is adding them on. So back. 7 is adding some grill pieces to the back part, and then 8 is adding some bolts to the side plate. So yeah, then now you put the 3 things that you put together all together, then you add that to the bottom, and now step 11 is putting the back on. Step 12 is putting bolts on the other side and adding that on. Okay, 14 is adding details to the back. I mean, actually 14 is adding the hook to the like the little thingy. Then 15 is adding it on. 16 is adding the door along with the little tow cable thing. I mean, like the tow. I don't really know. It's just something that you can test stuff. 17 is assembling the bogies. 18 is adding the wheels on. And then 19 is putting the little final things. 20 is adding all the suspension, drive wheels, idler wheels, and the return rollers onto the side. 21 is adding the mud thingies to the outer side plate, and then 22 is putting them on. So, yes. 23 is doing the same thing. 24 is doing the same thing. Now we just have a picture of the completed hole. Let's see if I can get this focused for y'all. There we go. Here is this, so you can see how that the tracks might be a bit too small for what they give us. So yeah, 27 is putting on the tracks. 26 is just putting the tracks together. Oh my, seems like I skipped a thing. Okay, 28 is putting on fenders. 29 is putting fenders on the other side. 30 is assembling the gun. So I'll just go over this and focus for you so I can skip all these steps. Now adding doors to the two sides of the turrets. 38. 39 is putting the two turrets together along with the gun. 40 is the turret ring. 41 is the top of the turret. 42 is making the gun. I don't know why there's a little piece right there, but I guess it can. 43 is adding the barrel. 44 is adding stuff. 45 is adding stuff. 46 is putting the headlight on right there, and then adding some guard railings, and then yeah, actually 47, 48, and 46 is putting the turret on. So yeah, final step 49 and other stuff, just the final page, which is the exhaust, which is some weird curlicue thing. So yeah, and 32 is adding more railing and the handle for the door, and now we have a graphic of the final thing. So yeah, final page is the paint scheme, which can look like where the decals go. So you can look at this, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Probably not with this kilt being built, but some other random kit that I have in storage to build. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye.